Herbalife International India has been striving to change people's lives by offering nutrition and weight management products world over. The Seed to Feed policy reflects their commitment to quality and traceability right from the cultivation of source ingredients to the final delivery. The company also boasts of a wide network of members who not only sell their products but also provide personalized service and support to their customers. Here's their inspiring journey. A fit and a healthy body is always on everyone's top of mind. But do we really know about eating right and maintaining a healthy weight? Are we giving the right amount of nutrition to our body? But there is one such company that helps people pursue a healthy and an active life. Herbalife. Established in 1980, this global nutrition giant provides weight management, nutrition and personal care products in more than 90 countries.
I didn't really understand the value for good nutrition until 1.5 years ago when I decided to model, and I was told that I don't really have the figure for a model. So I had to understand that there are a few things I'll need to change, and because I wanted to do it, I started focusing on working out and using nutrition to balance my lifestyle.
When I started, I was at 85 kilos. I just wanted to lose weight, and I had seen a lot of people already using the products and having lost a lot of weight. So that was the main reason I started. I lost 18 kilos in 3.5 months, and ever since then I've been very healthy, very active, feeling very good.
During the training programs, I observed that it's the nutrition food which is required for the body, and with the same food it can be maintained weight, you can increase weight, you can decrease weight. That really inspired me, because I never noticed that I was overweight or something. But after having the shake, I feel fantastic. My overall day-to-day activities remain better on my work, sleep is good, and I feel fantastic.
With a vision to change lives by providing better nutrition and business opportunities, Herbalife products are made with quality ingredients to help you get a balanced nutrition.
The innovation which is there is that we constantly keep looking research and also innovating our products to meet the requirements of our consumers, focusing on nutrition, healthy active living and fitness. But the mantra of Herbalife is nutrition, and the innovation evolves around nutrition. So in India we have basically the weight management products and the personal care range, which is basically focusing on inner and outer nutrition. We have the weight management product, which comprises basically of 4 flavors of Formula 1 shakes. Then we have the cellulose, we have the Aloe Plus, we have the omega-3 fatty acid, which is the Herbalife line, and also we have the personal care range.
Cutting-edge research and science-based solutions are a part of every Herbalife product. The company now sponsors more than 200 sporting events, teams and athletes around the world.
Worldwide we have more than 200 plus events or sponsored athletes which Herbalife globally sponsors. In India, yes, we have associations with Saina, who was our first sponsored athlete, Saina Nehwal, and then moved to Mary Kom, and then we have, of course, your cricketing sensation Virat Kohli, Hina Sidhu, and Girisha. So they are associated with Herbalife in building the brand and associating themselves with the consumers and our associates.
Herbalife has a unique concept of spreading fitness through their nutrition clubs, wherein the consumers and associates interact with each other and help to change their lives by understanding the requirements of people who need help.
Actually, the nutrition clubs were started in Mexico a few years ago, and in Herbalife we always share something that really works. We share it with more people, and we make sure that they're able to follow this as a structure to build a business. So around 7-8 years ago it started in India, and once the nutrition center concept really exploded and a lot of people started to use nutrition, we saw that there is really something where we can add a lot of value on a daily basis for people here. Now we've actually started to also add exercise and workouts into our nutrition center. So we run something called as a Fit Club, which is a part of our nutrition center, where people also work out with us and they follow a healthy lifestyle and they follow a balanced nutrition on a daily basis.
With their products undergoing multiple quality and safety tests, Herbalife continues in its mission to provide a balanced nutrition to its consumers, helping them to live happy and fulfilling lives.